Happy trading expert community, hope you've been well. Now let me show an example of break and retest when the market pulls back to an area of interest. So previously on this asset, you see the market is pushing up. Now if you don't know how to check the trend of the market, maybe you can watch the moving average video, or you can get book one. I think all my books have identification of the trend. Or there's also that video of how to tell the trend has ended. Now if you watch it slowly and keenly, you'll be able to know how the trend starts. And the trend means the cycle, the flow, the bias, all that. So if you don't know how to check your bias, maybe you can check on those videos that I've mentioned. Now on this asset, you can see the momentum or the volume is given by the size of the candlestick, dominance, the size of the candlesticks, and how often they are showing up. So the move is to the top side, or it's favoring the buys. Now that was the previous move. The market now got to this area, going to term it as a swing high, and decided to come back to retest what? This. So you may call it a base, because you have rally, base, rally, even though it's not very, very defined, but the market came back to that area. Now, how do you tell that the pullback is over? There is a video on the channel on the different types of pullbacks. We've talked about the different types of pullbacks. And not only that, on book 7, we've talked about the move. How should be the move back? The move back has to have a style, because if it just moves like this one candlestick here, see this one candlestick pushed from up here into the base, but what happened? There was no move back. Why? Because this is not the style of the pullbacks. They should be this up and down zigzag move, and then the market pushed back up. But was this the correct way to go back into our move, into our buy? Not at all. Why? Because the first break is usually the break out of that pullback. So what do you wait for? And let me explain that. In such a move, it's usually high value. And if you don't know how high value trade setups look like, I have a video on the channel on high value trade setups. It's high value if there's some liquidity. Look at this mess here. Now, this is what makes the retest to be good. And I'm going to make an after video after the move has happened, so that I can give evidence of high value trade setup. Now, there was the break